Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good afternoon. Okay, so today we will continue the chapter 3. Okay, chapter 2. Chapter 2, system of linear equation. So last week we covered the Gauss Elimination method, where we are looking the value of unknown parameter in the metric form. So we have 3 equations and 3 unknown parameters. Okay, there are the methods where we need to eliminate some things. Okay, the component in the x below the A11, so altogether become 0, and then we eliminate the component in the x2, okay, below the A22, so then we will get the diagonal form, and then from there we can measure or calculate the value of unknown parameter, which is the x3, x2 and x1. Okay, today's lesson actually is similar. I could say it's similar with the Gauss elimination. So today we will cover the Gauss elimination with pivoting. Okay, it's still the same method, Gauss elimination, but with some improvement. Okay, or yeah, I could say some improvement, because Gauss elimination itself sometimes might become error or infinity value. So that's why they are they're improving the method. Okay, so Gauss elimination with pivoting is to solve the problem of a division 0 in the case of A11 or A22. So when this one becomes 0, so as I said before, the formula is negative below, so negative below divide by apa, so satu-satu. So ini A plus B. So what happen when the value of A is 0? Okay, so become infinity. Okay, so that's why, so this method actually we try to sort. Okay, we try to sort the equation first. Okay, which one will be at the upper side than others. Okay, so that we can eliminate, or where we can avoid the infinity problem. Okay, when divide by 0 become infinity, so we want to avoid this kind of things. So the algorithm of Gauss elimination with pivoting is almost the same with the Gauss elimination, except before doing elimination process to eliminate x1. So before to eliminate the x1 from R2 and RT, we have to swap. Okay, we have to swap the row if necessary to get the maximum of absolute. Okay, absolute. So absolute A11. Okay, so when I said absolute, so we will ignore the sign. So either positive or negative, so all become positive. Okay, so if compare with the entries below the first column, and before doing the elimination process to eliminate the x2 from R3, the other R, new R, R2 actually, we have to swap R3. So we have to swap row if the necessary to get a maximum of A1, A22 if compared with the entire. So for example like this, so kita ada 2x1 plus 4x2 plus x3. Okay, So tak boleh back lah. Okay, x3 equal to 6, and then this one negative 6, x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 to 1, and then 4x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to 7. Okay, so from here what we need to do, the first thing so we need to take the maximum number. So make sure all become positive first, and then which one is the most highest is compared to this one. So you need to compare this value and the other two. Okay, compare this and the other two, which one is highest. Okay, from here we can see that 6 is the highest value, so we swap the first row to the second row, so become negative x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 1, then 2x1 plus 4x2 plus x3 equal to 6, and then the row 3 equation 3 become the same, remain the same. 2x3 equal to 7. Okay, then we start the process. Okay, so that is the Gauss elimination with pivoting. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter, but we must, you need to see this one. Up. You need to see this. Okay, this sign, absolute. Okay, it doesn't matter if doesn't matter, of course. So we just take the magnitude. Okay. Okay, so you can see, tengok dia pun ada beritahu. So kalau lepas ni dia dah the second row, lepas ni sini dah jadi kosong, and then mesti ada sini ada value kan. So kita compare pula yang ini pula. Okay, so you boleh tulis lah number of equation. Okay, so kalau kita tulis ni equation 1, 2, 3 kan. So bila kita tulis balik macam ni, kita boleh tulis equation 4, 5, ni 3. Okay, tapi kalau macam ni saya prefer you terbalikkan je lah nombor equation tu. Okay, saya suggestkan you boleh buat apa-apa tak kisah. Saya lebih prefer yang macam ni lah. Ni jadi 2, ni jadi 1. Saya lebih prefer macam ni lah. Okay, tapi you need to write mula-mula. Okay, mula-mula ada dia punya proses. You need to write the equation, the given equation, and then you need to apa dia panggil, swap. Okay, you need to write okay, atas ni mana ni. Okay, you need to write something like this swap equation 1 and 2. Okay, into 2 kan, tak kisahlah macam mana pun. Yang penting kita boleh tahulah apa yang you nak buat tu sebenarnya. Okay, I think let's see the example. So untuk dia punya teori itu je lah. Ni apa ni? Kenapa dia tak hilang ni? Sekejap ada je masalah. Exit full screen. Dah. Sekejap. Astagfirullahaladzim. Okay, serba tak kena hari ni. Hari ni memang serba tak kena. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, okay, this is the example. I try to copy. Okay, I try to copy the question. Okay, ni lagi senang lah macam ni. Okay, semua masih ada lagi? Saya dah tak dengar siapa-siapa kan ni?
Ada doktor.
Ada doktor.
Okay, so harap dapat sabar sikit hari ni. Hari ni serba kekurangan ni. Okay, so apa yang kita nak buat adalah Gauss Elimination with pivoting. Okay, so this is the equation. So kita cuba highlight dululah. So this is the equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Okay, so from here we need to see. So before we start, we need to see I can say the column. The column 1, which one is the maximum? Okay. Which one is the maximum one? Okay, so from here we can see that the maximum number in the row column 1 is the number 5. Okay, so this is the maximum. Okay, so that our step. So today I will try my best to write a proper way. So first step is the swap the equation 2 with equation 1. Okay, so we rewrite again the equation 5 negative 1 3x 3 6 and then 2 3 10 9 and then this one is 4 7 1 and 2. Okay, we rewrite again. I think better we rewrite again. So equation 2, equation 1 and then equation 3. So this for our indicators. For our indicators, so we know which one is the things that we want to do. Okay, so now what we want to do is the eliminate. So we want to eliminate the this one. Okay, eliminate. Okay, we write like this. So eliminate x1 from 1, equation 1. Okay, so please remember the solution. The formula. So which is the negative below 2 bahagi 5. 2 bahagi 5. So times 5 plus 2. Okay, become 0. Okay. And then the second one is the negative 2 5 times negative 1 plus 3. So how much this one? Please help me. Please help me. Saya pun tak ada dia punya solution ni. Ke ada dalam buku? Kalau dalam buku lagi mudah lah kita nak buat kan, sebab kita ada contoh yang lain. Ada dalam buku tak contoh dia? So I just want to ada?
Ada doktor, ada.
Oh ada. So dia kat sini. So dia akan jadi 3.4 lah. Okay. Betul lah 3.4? So 3.4. So and then the third one, so negative 2, 5, so 3 plus 10, okay, equal to 8.8. Okay, and then the last one, negative 2, 5 times 6 plus 9. Okay, become 6.6. Okay, then we rewrite again, or before we write, I think we just rewrite again. So we rewrite the equation. So we write the first one first. The equation 1 first. Equation 2. Okay, 3, 6. So this one is the new one. 0, 3.4, 8.8, 6.6. Okay, and then we just rewrite again the third one. Equation 1, 2, and 2. Okay, so we write this is the equation. Tak best. We rewrite. So this is the equation 2, equation 4. This is equation 3. Okay, so we try to copy. Ada copy tak sini? Okay, ni ada lasso ni. Hopefully I can. I don't know why. Alamak. Sekejap kita try copy ni pergi ke next page lah. Okay, kita copy and then kita go to the next page and then we paste. Okay, so kita dah dapat the new equation. Okay, and then kita nak eliminate this form di this one lah. Okay, eliminate kita nak eliminate kan dia lah. And then we write eliminate x1 from equation 3. Okay, so what we need to do is the equation. So negative atas, bawah bagi atas. Okay, so darab dengan 5 tambah 4 become 0, negative 4. Ni darab negatif 1 tambah 7 sama dengan 7.8. Okay, negatif 4, 5, 3 tambah 1 sama dengan negatif 1.4, then negatif 4, 5, 6 times 2 so equal to negative 2.8. Okay, so then we rewrite again the equation. So 5, negative 1, 3, 6, 0, 3.4, 8.8, 6.6, 4, 7, 1, and 2. Okay, so we rewrite the number of equation. So this is number 2, this is number 4, and this is number 5. La ilaha illallah, silap. Sedap ya main salin Ya Allah Okay, sorry. So okay, 0, 7.8, negative 1.4, and negative 2.8. Okay, so this is the equation. So now we want to eliminate this part, the below the x2 part. So this part we want to eliminate. We want to eliminate this. So what we can do, before we eliminate, we need to look at the number. Okay, either which one is the maximum, either this or this. So from here we can see that 7.8 is the more than 3.4. So then we need to swap. Okay, so we write swap equation 5 and 4. Okay, so we rewrite 5, negative 1, 3, 6, 0, 7.8, negative 1.4, negative 2.8, 0, 3.4, negative 8. Oh, mana ada negative 8.8, and then 6.6. okay, so we rewrite the number of equation so that we know. So 2, and then this is 5, and this is 4. Okay, so as long as you write the number of equation over here, so we know what you are doing. Okay, if you want to write the new equation, so the new number is okay. Okay, so now after this we want to eliminate this part. So I think since this is only I think 3, so I think better kita buat page baru lah. So then kita try copy lah. Okay, try copy tu lagi senang . Okay, try to copy, new page. Okay, oh ada lagi nak masuk. Okay, so we try. So now what we want to do is eliminate this part. So eliminate x2 from equation 4. Okay, if you write like this, I understand, no problem. Okay, so don't write just 4. So this I could say is equivalent to the show the equation 4. Okay, so equation macam biasa negative 3.4, 7.8. okay, 7.8 plus 3.4 become 0, then negative 3.4 divided by 7.8 times with negative 1.4 plus 8.8 equivalent to 9.4103. okay, and then the last one is 7.8 negative 1.4 negative 2.8 plus 6.6 become 7.8205. okay, and then we rewrite again the equation. So 5, negative 1, 3, 6, 0, 7.8, negative 1.4, negative 2.8, then 0, 0, 9.4103, 7.8205. okay, okay, so then kita boleh tulis balik lah equation dia. So ni equation 2, ni equation 5, and this is equation 6. okay, so then we solve the unknown parameter lah. Okay, so what we get here is 1 and 9.103 x3 equal to 7.8205. so x3 equal to 0.8311. okay, so this is x3. so for x2, so 7.8 x2 plus negative 1.4 0.8311 equal to negative 2.8. Okay, so x2 equal to negative 0.2098. Okay, so then solve the equation 1. Okay, minus become plus 0.2098 plus 3 0.8311 equal to 6. So x1 become 0.6 594. Okay, then you can rewrite the final equation, the final result like this. You can write like this. X equal to 0.6594 negative 0.2098 0.8311 transpose. Okay, so equivalent to x1, x2 and x3. Okay, so this is the example for the this equation, this question. So I try my best to write in the better way so that I can share again with you something. I think same like last week, I share to you so that you can study again. So for those who have no book, so I hope this is helpful. Okay, then we go back to the slide. From here what we can see, rasa macam tak ada banyak sangat ni. Mana hilang pula. Oh, kenapa ni? I don't know why. What happened today? Okay, so ni kita dah buat solution tadi kan. So yang ni pula, ada tak yang willing rasa nak buat ni? So sekarang dia ada 4 equation ni. Ada yang willing nak buat? Okay, tak apa. So dia ada. So after this after this example, I think dah tak ada apa lagi lah dekat sini kan. So dia ajar cara macam mana nak guna simultaneous. Saya dah ajar last week. So after this dah actually dah complete lah. So kita tak cover lah. Kalau dalam buku ni they have a lot of other methods. We are not cover everything. Okay, I think these two would be enough lah, insyaAllah. Okay, so let's do the equation. Oh, lagi senang ni, boleh copy terus. Okay, so kita try a new page. Ni yang tadi.
Doktor.
Yes.
Doktor tadi cakap chapter 3 tak cover, maksud dia apa
Bukan tak cover banyak yang method-method lain.
Oh, cuma yang macam loop factorization method tak ada cover
Tak ada.
Oh, so untuk chapter 3, chapter 2 ni cuma 2 method ni je lah.
Ya, betul.
Oh.
Bagus. You nak ke method lain? Okay, so kalau you tengok method lain tu dia lebih complicated lah. I think dia mungkin buku ni bukan digunakan hanya untuk undergraduate lah. Mungkin master level pun dia akan guna. I think so lah, saya tak pasti. Mungkin master level pun guna buku yang sama lah, tapi more advanced lah. Okay, so you boleh tengok tadi saya buat pun it takes few minutes. I think lama juga saya buat tadi tu. So you boleh bayangkan lah dalam exam. Okay, so apa yang saya boleh cakap, without pivoting ni macam takkan keluar lah dalam final. Without pivoting memang boleh katakan takkan keluar. Okay, so yang with pivoting ni memang akan keluar. Okay. So memang you kena
Noted.
yes.
Nak tanya soalan sikit.
Boleh. Sila.
Apa ni, kalau first elimination saya faham. Tapi bila second elimination tu bila nak kena buat?
Bila nak kena
Maksudnya
buat apa?
yang 7.8 tu kenapa buat time 7.8, kenapa tak buat time 7 saja, apa ni, sebelum dia? Saya tak tahu bila nak buat elimination tu
Okay.
untuk second.
Sebenarnya kita kena tengok step by
Nak
step.
sweat.
Kita kena tengok step by step. Okay. Okay. Mula-mula kita nak eliminatekan bahagian X1. Okay, untuk X1. So benda pertama sekali kita kena buat adalah kita tengok which column yang ada maximum value untuk nilai X tu lah. Okay, so kalau untuk equation ni kita nampak yang X5 ataupun equation 2 mempunyai nilai X1 yang bukan nilai X1 lah, arti koefisien dia lah. Mempunyai koefisien X1 yang paling tinggi. So itu nombor 5 kan. So berbanding dengan nombor 2. Okay, so once kita letakkan 5 dekat nombor 1, so dia akan berada di tempat yang paling tinggi lah. Okay, so maksudnya dia berada di tempat yang paling tinggi dan dia yang paling besar. Okay, sebab kita akan divide dengan nombor yang paling besar di row yang nombor 1. Okay, so that's why penting lah dia yang paling besar tu. So kalau kita tengok semua dia bahagi 5 kan, bahagi 5. So dapat equation baru. So bila dah selesai yang pertama, kita nak buang pula yang ni, yang nombor 4 ni. Kalau kita tukar sekarang ni tak guna sebab kita nak eliminate yang ni. Okey, kita nak eliminate kan X4 ni. Okey, kita nak eliminate kan ni, 4 ni. X4 pula, bukan X4, coefficient mana? Why we get this, macam mana soalan tadi? Dah hilang pula. Why when we eliminate without pivoting we still get the answer? Yes, you will get, for sure you will get the same answer. Okay, if you do without pivoting also you can get the same answer. I believe the same, not the similar, but I think the same answer. But you need to understand the question. So if the question asks you to do the pivoting, so you need to do the pivoting. Okay. If you didn't do the pivoting, you just do the Gauss Elimination method without pivoting, so you will get the same answer, but you will get only 1 mark, which is the final answer. The final answer you will get the, okay, you only get the answer only get mark for that because the process is considered wrong. Okay. Okay, balik pada tadi. So kita nak dah eliminate untuk yang pertama tadi. So then kita nak eliminate kan untuk X4 ni. So bila kita dah dapat X4 ni, bila eliminate X4, so of course we will get a new value. Okay. Sebenarnya tak, walaupun ni 7 ni lebih tinggi, tapi tak perlu pun, tak penting pun. Kita nak tengok yang ni, bahagian ni dulu kita tengok. Okay, kita tengok this row dulu, this column dulu. Okay, so bila kita dah eliminate yang ni, proses dia sama, dia akan bahagi dengan 5 juga, yang paling besar. So that kita dapat equation yang baru. So from, bila kita tengok semua bawah ni, so when we see this I could say complete bila kita dah complete all below the X1 is 0, so then we move to the X2. So then we want to eliminate this part. Okay, so this part we want to eliminate. So before we eliminate, we see which one, we need to compare which one is the highest. Okay, so kita tengok 7.8 is the highest, so we swap with this equation 4 and 5, and then we rewrite again the equation. Okay, so then we get a new equation. So then we proceed with the Ghost Elimination. Okay, so kita pun proceed lah dengan equation tu, bla 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 until we eliminate the x2, and then we solve the unknown parameter. So we get x3, x2 and x1. Okay, so boleh faham tadi?
Okay, doktor. Faham.
Ya, Muhammad Ismail.
Buat step dulu. Okay, terima kasih doktor.
Oh. Okay, so now we try to do the second example. Okay, so apa ni? So I really hope that everyone of you please be prepared sebab kita akan buat quiz lepas ni. So the quiz is similar like the last week tutorial. Okay, you need to do some exercise and you need to submit. But today I will count as a mark. Okay, once you submit, I will count as a mark. Okay, so this is the quiz. Okay. So last week I count as a tutorial, normal tutorial. So this week I will count as a quiz. Boleh nampak tak ni? Alamak. I really hope that you can see.
Boleh.
Because I don't know what is your view. I just see my view only. So ni macam kecil sikit lah, tapi tak apalah, boleh
Boleh nampak tu.
So di sini we have 4 equations with 4 unknown parameters, and luckily some of the parameter are already eliminated. Some of them. So this is equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this time once we swap, we write a new equation. Okay, just to do different things, no problem. Okay, so we need to eliminate this part. So before we eliminate, we need to see which one is the highest. So we see that the 3 is the highest one. So we rewrite the equation. 3, 4, 5, 0, 0. Okay. 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So we already swap, and then the others we just rewrite. So 6, 7, 8, 2. Okay. So 10, 11, 3. Okay. So ni lupa pula. 0, 0, 0. Okay, we write there. So this is the equation 5. Okay, this is the equation 6. This is equation 3. This is equation 4. Okay. Okay, then we eliminate the value of 1 over here. So eliminate x1 from equation 6. Okay, so I try to simplify. So some of that I didn't do. Tak apalah, buat je lah. So 1 over 3, 3 plus 1 becomes 0, negative 1 over 3, 4 plus 2, become 0.6667, negative 1 over 3, 5 plus 0 equal to negative 1.6667. Okay, and the other one is negative 1 over 3, 0, 0 becomes 0 lah. 0, negative 1 over 3, and then 0 plus 1 become 1. Okay, and then we rewrite again. So what we get here is 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, and then this one, the new one, 0, 0.6667, negative 1.6667, 0, and then 1, and then the other is 6, 7, 8, 2. And this one is 10, 11, 3. So 0, 0, 0. Okay. So this is the equation 5. This is the equation 7. This is the equation 3. This is the equation 4. Okay. So now we want to eliminate the x2. Okay. x2 at the row 3. Yeah. So at this part we want to eliminate. So before we eliminate, we need to swap. Either we need to swap or not. Okay, so from here we need to see which one is the maximum. Okay, so we rotate this one. Okay, we rewrite the equation again. 3, 4, 5, 0, 0. Oh, ni kena line ni. Okay, and then 0, 6, 7, 8, 2. So ni 0, 0.6667, negative 1.6667, 0, 1. And then 0, 0, 10, 11, 3. Okay. So a bit challenging because I need to write anything in this tablet, so hopefully I can manage to do. Oh, kita dah tukar kan? So I said once we swap, we try to write the new equation. So this is equation 8. This is equation 9. This is equation 4. Okay. So again we copy. So I can say that you are a bit lucky because I can share again whatever I write here. Because last time when I was in class, okay, when I teach in class, okay, I write in the whiteboard, so limited space. So before I complete, I need to erase and do the other process. So, ni apa yang hujung ni? Lah, tak complete ke? Okay, so kira nasib baik lah, kira best lah. Asal dia tak copy lah ni? Pula dah. Jadi lah. Tulis apa tu? 023 0, 2, 3. Okay. So we swap and then we eliminate the x2 in the row 3, row 3 and this row, okay, the third row. Okay, we write eliminate x2 from equation, apa yang saya tulis ni? Equation 9. Okay, so still the same equation, so 0.6, oh negative. Ni ada negative kan tadi? Oh tak ada. 0.667 divide by 6 times 6 plus 0.6667, okay, become 0, and then negative 0.6667 divide by 6. Okay, multiply with 7 minus 1.6667. Apa ni? Become apa ni? Negative 2.4445. Okay, and then we proceed 7 divided by 6. Okay, and then times with 8 plus 0 become negative 0.8889. Okay, and then the last one 0.6667 6, and then 2 plus 1 become 0.7778. Okay, and then we rewrite again the equation. So we get here is 3 4 5 0 0 0 6 7 8 2. Okay, 0 0 negative 2.4445 negative 0.8889 and then 0.7778. Okay, so I think kalau you boleh tulis dalam row yang kemas, so you senang lah untuk you track nanti ya. Okay, so and then kita tulis balik yang 4 tu 0 0 10 11 3. Okay, apa ni 10 lah. Okay, 10 11 3. Okay, so this is equation 5. Equation 5, equation 8, this is equation 10, and this is equation 4. Okay, so now we want to eliminate this component atau this thing this we want to eliminate this one. Okay, before we eliminate we need to see from the upside okay, kita nak tengok lah yang di atas sajalah, kita jangan tengok yang atas. Please don't look at the 7 don't compare the whole column over here, just compare this part and this part only. Okay, because the others is 0, so you need to do the things with the other, with 2 equation only. Okay, so you can see that the 10 is higher than 2, negative 2.44, so we swap. So swap equation 4 and equation 10. Okay, so we rewrite. So memang kerja banyak lot of thing we need to write, so please be patient. Yeah, kalau you don't too rush, otherwise you will make mistake. Okay, so I can say that most of the student make mistakes. Okay, they make mistake because they sometimes didn't swap properly. Sometimes they swap wrongly. They swap with the other equation, so of course they will get the wrong answer. Tak cukup. Besar sangat tulisan 0.7778. Okay. Okay, so we try to copy again. So last part Okay. So equation 5, 8, 11, 12. Okay. 5, this is equation 8, 8, 11, 12. Okay, so then we do again. So eliminate x3 from equation 12. Okay, so negative 2.4445 divided by 10 times with 10 minus 2.4445 becomes 0, and then negative 2.4445 divided by 10 times 11 minus 0.8889. So actually this one is plus, so plus with the times with the negative 0.8, so I just write negative. So this should be plus like this, like this. Okay, so don't forget. So this one become 1.8001. Okay, the last one is 2.4445 divided by 10 times with 3 plus 0.7778, become 1.5112. Okay, so we rewrite the final equation. So 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 6, 7, 8, 2, 0, 0, 10, 11, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1.8001, 1.5112. Okay, so then we solve the equation. Okay, so 1.8001 x4 equal to 1.5112, so x4 equal to 0.8395. Okay, so then x3, 10 x3 plus 11 x4, the value x4 is 0.8395 equal to 3, so x3 equal to negative 0.6235. Okay, and then the other part is solve the x2 plus 7 negative 0.6235 plus 8 times x4 0.8395 equal to 2, so x2 equal to negative 0.0586. Okay, and then x1 3x1 plus 4 negative 0.06 plus 5x3 is negative 0.6235. X4 is 0 and equal to 0, so x1 is equal to 1.1173. Okay, so you can leave it like this. So make sure all the answer is written correctly. Okay, so you can measure or you can calculate using your calculator, so to verify your answers. Okay, so everybody understand? can see the solution?
Yes, Doktor.
Okay, so tangan pun dah lenguh ni. So, ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya? Do you have any question to ask? Ada apa-apa soalan?
Doktor, berapa maksimum equation dia boleh bagi?
Maksimum yang dia boleh bagi sebenarnya tak kisah pun. 5 kali 5 pun boleh. 6 kali 6 pun boleh.
Dalam test berapa tu?
Dalam test maksimum I think dalam 4 kali 4 lah.
Okay.
Okay, 4 kali 4 tu normally maksimum lah. Because it's a time consume kan. So you pun tengok saya buat tu berapa lama tadi. Ya, saya buat tadi pun boleh katakan jawapan tu dah ada. So masa untuk saya tekan kalkulator tu dipendekkan lah. Tak ada lah masa tu. So kalau saya perlu tekan lagi kalkulator, so dia akan drag lagi lah masa lebih lama. So we considered the time during the test. So don't worry so much. Mostly is 3 by 3 yeah. Okay, mostly. Okay. But 4 by 4 is possible. Okay. So okay, I think we go for the exercise. Okay, I think let's go to the exercise, and I will give you the solution to do. Mana satu ni? Okay. Doktor, sebelum swap equation 4 dengan 10 tadi, kalau compare value tu kecil, tak habis baca. Kalau compare value tu kecil, tak perlu swap ke? Yes. Kalau yang sedia ada atas tu memang dah tinggi, so tak perlulah tukar. Okay? So, what I can say here, actually who developed the question is dia pandai lah. I can say that dia pandai because they clever lah to create this kind of equation or the problem. Okay, because every part we need to swap. Okay, because during the study the lecturer easy to show to the student that we need to swap. So if only one equation that we need to swap, then the other no need to swap, then sometimes student think that we don't need to swap, we just need to swap only once. Okay, so I think that's a good thing. So maybe dalam exam can be only one row only you need to swap, or maybe not everything. I don't know, you need to see the question first lah. Boleh jadi ke kalau row 2 lagi kecil dari row 1? Lagi kecil dari row 1? Boleh je. Kenapa tak boleh pula? So that's why apa maksud dia saya tak faham. Kalau lagi kecil memang kita kena swap lah. Kalau tak lagi kecil, kalau atas dia lagi kecil kita kena swap lah. Kalau bawah lagi kecil kita tak perlu swap. Okay, not necessary to swap. Okay, not necessary. You need to see the value at the column. Okay, column over there. Okay, so the component that you want to eliminate. So for example x1. So for x1 you need to compare with the equation 1. Okay, so if equation 1 no need to swap, then after you eliminate, so you need to see equation 2 and equation 3. So if equation 3 and equation 2 at the row 2, okay, column 2 for the x2, okay, for the x2 you can see that row 3 is higher than row 2. So you need to rotate je lah. because kita nak buat tu between that and kat situ yang permulaan dia. Kita dah tak tengok lagi X1 sebab X1 dah eliminate, dah kosong dah tepi dia. Tak apa, so nanti you buat. So tadi saya buat, so you boleh nampak proses dia flow. So bila you buat, so you akan lagi jelas lah. Okay. So now kita dekat exercise mana lah? Ni exercise 3
Ya, doktor. 3.
3 dah jauh sangat ni. Okay, I think I want you, since kita ada berapa lagi ni? Kita ada lama lagi ni. Oi, lama. Kita boleh buat 2 ni.
Sekejap doktor, rest break sekejap. Pergi toilet.
Tak, bagi soalan dulu. Lepas tu you boleh relax. Okay, so saya bagi question. So saya bagi question. So bagi you problem. And then you boleh buat anytime before 5 you need to submit lah. Okay, so I give you 2 lah. So last week kita dah buat mana lah? Saya dah lupa pula.
Last week A dengan B.
A and B for the solution 1
Satu.
Question 1 Okay, sekarang pergi question 2. Ke buat ABCD ni? Macam menarik ni ABCD.
Bagi 2 je doktor.
Ya doktor.
A dengan B je.
Boleh.
Sampai bagi masa lama.
So kita kena push. So kita kena push you, baru you akan rasa macam stress. So bila you terstress, you akan all out. So itu yang saya nak cuba force you all lah. Okay, I think kita buat D ni kena. Okay, D. Okay, lagi satu yang mana? Lagi satu, pilih. A, B, C.
A.
A. Okay, A tak payah.
Bagi yang
B.
senang. Bagi
Okay.
yang senang.
B kot. Tak payah tukar.
Tapi doktor suruh pilih.
Okay.
D je.
Okay. So don't worry, kita dah ada apa answers dah ada kat bawah, and you can also check the solution with your calculator. So what I want to see is your process. Okay. So only the process will give you the marks, not the answer. Because the answer you can click you dapat 1 markah dah. Okay, tapi the process is highest mark lah. Okay, so sekarang pukul 3.30. So we have 1.5 hour. So kita ada 1 jam setengah. So boleh sangat sebenarnya you boleh buat ni. Sebenarnya 2 je. Okay. So Ahmad okay? Abdul Malik okay?
Hello, doctor. Yeah, okay. The exercise C and D, yeah?
Ya, betul. Correct.
Okay.
I think everyone is here. I think so. I can't type. For right now, I can't type. So, I can't open the attendance. Okay, so before that, I quit first. Okay, I can't type. So, I don't know why I can't type. So, I believe everyone is here. Ada siapa yang tak ada? Just now I saw 37. 37 macam dah terlebih seorang kan? Wah, Malik kau.
Apa?
Berikan tu. Okay. So I believe everyone is here because we only have 335, so including me 36, so everyone is here. Okay, okay, that's it. So submit the question in the author. Okay, so before
Sir.
5 Yes.
Yang soalan C tu kan dia ada bagi 6, lepas tu 3, lepas tu kosong kan. So swap yang paling 3 tu pergi atas sekali ataupun nombor 2? Dia pergi row 2.
Sekarang ni, okay, saya tunjuk sikit lah. So yang ni kita tengok, yang ni kan kosong. Betul tak? So antara kita nak eliminate, okay, kita nak eliminate this part. Okay, kita nak eliminate this row kita nak eliminate this row. So kalau kita nak eliminate this row, kita tengok mana yang maksimum. So ini kosong, yang ni 3, yang ni 6. Okay, so kita tukarlah 3 dengan 6 ni. 3 dengan 6 pula, kosong dengan 6 ni. Okay, kosong dengan 6 ni you boleh tukar siap-siap.
Okay sir, faham.
Okay. Dia ada lagi satu cara lah, tapi tak payahlah ajak kat sini sekarang ni kan. So tak apa, you buat ni je dulu. You tengok 6 dengan kosong dengan 3, mana maksimum. And then tukar yang minimum dengan maksimum je. Okay, so tak payah buang masa lagi. So masing-masing boleh cubalah sekarang. Okay, so thank you so much. I really hope that you understand and you can do. So if you cannot do, you can ask me. Okay. So ada soalan ke apa ni? Siapa ni? Muhammad Akhwan?
Doctor,
Yes.
I want to ask you, we have only one test or two tests in this course?
One test.
Only one test.
Yeah.
When will be?
I'm not sure. I forget already. So later we will notice you.
Okay.
Doktor,
Yes.
kalau
Thank you.
soalan D tu,
Kalau apa?
Kalau soalan D,
D. Okay.
dia nilai dia sama dua-dua tu. Maksudnya kita nak tukar macam mana tu?
Nilai mana yang sama?
Nilai maksimum je. Kan kosong dengan kosong, 2 dengan 2. So kita nak swap yang satu duduk atas. Maksudnya macam baris kedua duduk atas ke ataupun baris keempat duduk atas?
Terserah. Mana-mana pun boleh.
Oh, mana-mana pun boleh.
Mana-mana pun boleh. Because dia nombor sama. Kita tak payah tengok row yang kedua. Kita tak payah tengok 9 and 1. Okay, we didn't see. No need to see the 9 and 1. We just compare 2 and 2. Okay.
Okay.
So kita turunkan ke bawah sekali. So daripada you turunkan ni, yang ni kalau you turun sini, sini dah tak payah buat. Kalau you ni naik atas sini, terserah, mana-mana boleh. You kena buat sekali jugalah.
Oh, okay. Terima kasih doktor.
Okay, sama. Okay, see you next week. Don't forget to submit your quiz before 5. Yes, Lim.
Tak ada, cuma nak cakap terima kasih je.
Okay. Okay, surprise je lah. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you next week. Ismail, ada lagi?
Aduh. Apa ni saya nak tanya?
Okay.
Sebab saya masukkan contoh tadi, contoh 34500 tu,
345
dia tak dapat answer dia 1.1173. Apa ni yang example tadi.
Hai, kejap
Saya tak dapat nilai X1.
X1 tu berapa? 1.1173
Saya tak dapat, patutnya negatif kan?
Patutnya negatif.
Saya kira dapat negatif.
Tak apa, you check balik. Nanti pun saya tengok balik. Saya punya, mungkin jalan kerja saya ada, tak tahu lah saya silap ke. Okay, tapi ni sama lah macam dalam buku ni.
Okay.
Okay, so see you next week. Assalamualaikum dan terima kasih.
Terima kasih doktor.
Terima kasih doktor.
Sama.
Terima kasih doktor.
So nanti saya share.
Terima kasih doktor.
Sama. Menjerit korang. Alamak, tak boleh type apa-apa lah.